At LifeSource Water, we know every home is unique, just like your family. A LifeSource whole house water system ensures every drop of water in your home is filtered, conditioned, and protected. Starting with a water consultation, we review the best way to improve your water, then customize a system to fit your needs. We know our systems so well because we build them ourselves, from our factory to your door. And for the lifetime of your system, we guarantee high-quality water and service. All installations are done by licensed professionals, and our service team is with you every step of the way. With our special financing options, high-quality water has never been easier. Let us worry about your water so you don't have to. Spend more time living life with filtered, great-tasting water you love. LifeSource Water. Taste and feel the difference.